Hello, and welcome to another install video with Boomba Racing. Today we'll be working on the Yamaha FX SVHO and the all-new Boomba Racing fuel cap. To get started, make sure you have the following tools to complete the install. Begin by unscrewing the stock gas cap. Using a small flathead, remove the gas cap lid. Remove gasket and plastic ring. Grab your Boomba Racing gas cap. Place plastic ring into Boomba cap. Be sure to line up correctly as shown. Install gasket on Boomba gas cap. Install Boomba gas cap onto stock piece. Using provided snap ring, secure the Boomba gas cap to the stock piece. Install Boomba gas cap and screw on securely. And you're done. Thanks for joining us for another install video with Boomba Racing. Like and subscribe for more like this.